नृत्य, अभिनय और मुद्राओं का सम्मिलन सिर्फ एक शुरुआत है। पूजा की, अर्पण की और फिर चरम सीमा पर एक समाधि की। नृत्य जो अपने इष्ट को समर्पित एक साधना है, प्रेम है और अपने आप में एक ऐसा सफर है जो मन, मस्तिष्क और शरीर को सृष्टि की लय और ताल से मिलाता है। नृत्य और उसकी लय में बहती हैं वाणी गणपति, देश की सबसे खास भरतनाट्यम डांसर्स में से एक। सिर्फ एक झलक और ये एक जाहिर सा सच लगता है कि वाणी नृत्य हैं और इनका नृत्य ये है। इनका चेहरा, इनकी सोच, इनका नजरिया और जिंदगी के अनेकों रंगों से उभरी इनकी मुस्कुराहट विश्वास की लौ जैसी हैं, जिससे नृत्य की शुरुआत भी होती है और उसकी मंजिल भी मिलती है। वाणी जो अभिनेता कमल हसन की पहली पत्नी है, जिंदगी के रिश्तों से जूझी तो है, पर बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए, पाने के लिए। नृत्य को, जीवन के अलग अलग पहलुओं को, अपनी शक्ति को और अपनी शख्सियत को भी। वाणी से हम कुछ पल उधार लेते हैं बिटवीन अस। वेलकम टू द शो वाणी।
Thank you.
Do you consciously design your pieces as per the cultural ethos of that space?
To a little extent, you have to. Then Meera Bhajan to aajkal, it has become a part of Bharatnatyam repertoire to always experiment with one piece at least belonging to the language जहाँ पे आप लोग जा रहे हैं. Okay, it wasn't like I was trying Punjabi, but closer to it जो बाकी लोग they can feel one with you. It's important.
You mentioned Meera Bhajan. आपके सारे pieces ही बहुत potent थे, लेकिन खास करके मीरा भजन, I can vouch for almost everybody in the audience. We were all drenched, It was like the divinity just leaped out of the stage and came onto us.
Oh, how lovely.
उसके लिए what you allow within yourself that it becomes so real in you that it is able to come on to us.
Just to go back a little, कुछ सालों पहले मैंने एक प्रोडक्शन किया था पंचकन्या. Panchakanya is the 5 mythological women characters who were very strong women characters. जैसे कि अहल्या, सीता, तारा, द्रौपदी, मंडोदरी. उनके सबके जिंदगी में there have been episodes which tested them. Somewhere I as a woman could relate. Draupadi has been a character who I have always looked at it as strength, and she tells her husband that I want the blood of Duryodhana's hand and I want the blood from the thigh of Duryodhana because this is what they did to me. So I want that blood, and if you all are truly men in my life, you bring that blood, I want to smear it in my hair. Until then I won't dye my hair. Okay, आजकल तो फैशन हो गई कि बाल खुला छोड़ना, लेकिन उन जमाने में a woman never left her hair open. So when I do these characters, somewhere that strength, especially when I do this piece of that last portion of the Shapat, I have experienced not just crying at the time of being derobed alone, but कि जब मेरे आँख अचानक उनको, तो I'm literally saying I will not spare you, and I've got tears and I've got anger. It's invariably happened on stage.
At what point do you stop being totally aware of the audience? Do you move to another realm, and what is that experience like?
If you see, most dancers keep their first item in such a way that that's the time that they are blending with the music and almost getting everything correct and conjoined. So that's what happens in the first item. After that, every item I don't even relate that there are people around me, musicians around me, from where the music flows. I don't even know that most of the time. When I do Krishna, I honestly feel he's there. When I do little Krishna, I feel he's there and I want to tie his hands and control his mischief. Somewhere I get to a point when to bring me back to reality sometimes is difficult for myself. I've had situations where I've finished the item and after I've gone in, I've sat and cried. I reach that point when sometimes I have to hold myself and say, this is a performance. You cannot go beyond this.
You've often mentioned your performances in temples in Kerala.
Earlier they used to allow performances. Do they allow performances now?
They do, but all the temples, most of the major temples, have a little space outside,
Right.
which they built like a mandap.
Yeah.
Those experiences of mine were so beautiful, to be able to dance inside the temple,
Yes.
where you really feel that maybe somewhere he's there around you.
Dance, एक तो it's been a potent form of worship across the centuries. और उसके बाद your whole body and your mind is involved in it. हर performance से पहले as a dancer आप कुछ consciously करते हो कि you are well centered.
Sometimes it's possible to do it. Sometimes you're just there and within 10 minutes you have to start, so it doesn't. But I don't really, on the day of the performance, in the morning, yes, I do. I do warm-up, stretches, I do riyaz in a different kind of a way, just to keep my body warm. This is the only preparation. I don't do...
And spiritually?
Spiritually, to be honest, I don't prepare, because I feel it's there all the time, eating, breathing, sleeping. Somewhere, if you are a little believer of God, it comes. But I was telling you about this Krishna piece. It is so cute, I think these are pieces. They may be Krishna, may be the character that you put, because every ordinary person relates to Krishna the child. They don't look at him as God. They look at him as a child in their family.
Yeah.
But when you do those, you almost feel that it's so real that in your family a kid could be like that. These are mischiefs.
Ji.
So dance is, for me, has been almost like there's a very thin line between the real and the unreal. Between God and human, between sensual and spiritual.
Yeah. When dance is such an important form of connecting spiritually and a form of worship, do you have to consciously create and live in a space which is away from, let's say, the pollutants? Do you have to consciously choose to live in a certain way?
I think these are things that just run into your life. They almost make a path into your life without your knowledge.
Yeah.
My lifestyle is the way I want it to be, not because of my dance alone.
Right.
But somewhere, dance mingles so much into your personal life that your lifestyle, everything. I mean, if you saw my home, most people, like you see, the home that we are now sitting. I mean, her energy is seen in that,
in every
aspect. So I think if you've been in your chosen field for a long time, somewhere it'll show in every move of yours, in your homes, in your way you dress, the way you talk to people, the way you conduct your life.
आप 4 साल की उम्र से डांस कर रही हैं and you were 7 when you performed
हाँ
the
जी।
first time on stage. तब से लेके अब तक अपने डांस को लेके आपके perspectives क्या change हुए हैं? What does your performing give you now which earlier was missing?
जब मैं 4 साल पे डांस शुरू की थी, तब तो कभी भी मैं कॉन्शियस नहीं थी कि मुझे डांसर बनना है।
अच्छा।
और वो मेरी पर्सनल चॉइस तो नहीं थी, क्योंकि उस उम्र में तो पर्सनल चॉइसेस बहुत कम होते हैं।
माँ ने encourage किया।
माँ बिल्कुल। 4 साल की उम्र में हर बच्चा तो खेलना चाहता है, स्कूल भी तो नहीं जाने चाहते। तो उस वक्त तो it was my mother. At 7, my first performance, when I went on stage, for the first time I realized that I am the important person.
जी।
सब मुझे देखने आए हैं। तो 7 साल की उम्र में that's very exciting. उसके बाद I think around 16, 17, I just, at that age, the attention of what it is to be a personality through a medium which will also give you joy. And I was always I won't say physical fitness person, लेकिन मुझे sports, jogging, running, I was representing my school in Maharashtra sports and things. So as I went deeper and deeper into my dance, those years my guru was still there and my guru was guiding us. My sister used to dance with me, Meera, as Vani and Meera.
Yeah.
86 was when I branched on my own. And there was certain part of my life, a very short span, where I went through a slightly traumatic phase. Something in me just said, probably my mission in life is not just marriage. Though I enjoyed the years that I was married, I was not against, never was. I am a homemaker, and I do believe that I love being in my home. Whenever I have a little free time, I'm not the party animal. मुझे घर में तो ऐसे माहौल में something inside me said, maybe there's another purpose for me,
Yeah.
and I have diverted from that purpose and made marriage my important thing, and my dance was taking a back seat. ये नहीं कि मैं dance I completely stopped, ऐसे कुछ नहीं था फिर भी. And so after 86, it's just been dance, and I can tell you it's been the most beautiful journey. Somewhere it helped me to get over trauma without getting negative.
Yeah.
I got more spiritually connected. It gave me so much of purpose in life. It's amazing how dance, I could never have thought that through dance, I could have a comfortable livelihood. And when I say comfortable, almost the livelihood or the style of life that I had when I was married. Then I never thought that I would be good as a teacher. I never wanted to teach. But my guru insisted, and I got into teaching. And through my students, I could see what looks nicer. There are very often pieces that I teach them, which I've never done.
Yeah.
And then after teaching them, and it turns out beautiful, I said, why couldn't I have done this piece?
Yeah.
And the children taught me a major thing was
Yeah.
patience, which
Yeah.
you need as a teacher, immense patience. So all this, and my mother was there with me, she was my singer.
All through. Just
All
4 years
through.
back you
Yeah,
lost her.
lost. So all through मेरे सारे performance, शायद एक या दो performance उन्होंने audience में बैठ के देखे
It must have
क्योंकि
been a very interesting relationship with your mother.
she was my best friend. I could talk to her anything, यहाँ तक कि when I first met my ex-husband and he first held my hand, I could tell her.
Yeah.
So that was the kind of relationship.
Yeah. You just said that when the marriage fell apart and you turned to dance, and then this realization dawned that yes, maybe you meant to follow
something.
this. Are we also saying that if a woman if she's married and she has these responsibilities, she's not able to, dance demands a lot more than
Yes, dance
what
demands a
homemaker
lot,
can,
but there are a lot of dancers who have done
married
that
and-
fabulously, fabulously. In those cases, what has happened, they've got married very young. So they've had their kids and all young. So by the time they're ready to bloom into national figures, their kids are grown up.
Yeah.
They don't need the support.
Yeah.
When you have to give yourself totally to an art form, either you have a fabulous setup of a backing of a husband who says, don't worry, this will be handled, or children who say, we'll go ahead, you don't worry, you go on with your thing. So all those things do matter.
You've been an interior designer, and you also featured in some films.
My stint in films was just for a lark.
Yeah.
ये नहीं कि I wanted to ever be a movie star.
जी.
Dance was my priority, continues to be my priority. So the movie thing was, in Tamil, was just a song picturization. That's
Yeah.
when I met my ex-husband. So he clearly asked me, I hope you're not going to pursue your film career, because if you're planning to, then I think you can take it off your mind now, because I'm going to ask you
said
to
as
marry
much?
me.